when I'm reducing the pressure, just have a look at this contact over here. See, I'm reducing the pressure.
The following video is a part of the Achiever package. In case you find the video helpful and want to watch more such videos like under piston before cleaning, starting air valve overhauling, alarms and trips, temperature calibrator, etc., find the link of the Achiever package in the description box below. You can also check out our courses on merchantnavydecoded.com. All the content on the Merchant Navy Decoded website aims at helping you get selected in a good shipping company or college, helping you get faster promotions, but most importantly, guide you to earn respect on ship.
Jai Mata Di guys. Today I am going to show you the importance of a pressure calibrator. होता क्या on board ship we have got a lot of pressure transmitters fitted, we have got a lot of pressure switches fitted. So pressure transmitters are those which tell us remotely how much pressure is there, right? But how do we know whether they are telling the right pressure or not? So we need a pressure calibrator on board, and what we do is we take that pressure transmitter, we put it, and then we give with the help of this calibrator we give a pressure of 4 bar and see how much pressure it is showing. If it is showing 4 bar, that means the pressure transmitter is working fine. At times what happens is we use this pressure transmitter with the calibrator, और यहाँ से we are giving a pressure of 4 bar in the display over here. और वहाँ वो दिखा रहा है 1.2 bar. That means the transmitter is not working properly. So just to give you an idea how a pressure calibrator works, guys. So we are in the CO2 room right now. You can see, guys, over here. This is a CO2 room on board my ship, and over here on this part is fitted a pressure switch for CO2 leakage. ये वो pressure switch है which we have removed already. This pressure switch is actually fitted over here, this region. Why? कि in case if any of the CO2 cylinders by chance starts leaking, or it will leak into the line, and if in any case if line pressure becomes 4 bar, then in that case it will give us an alarm and an indication will come straight away कि भैया CO2 leakage is taking place, find out, identify which cylinder is leaking. So over here, guys, since I have to give an example of the pressure calibrator, over here this pressure switch is approximately set at 4 bars. It's a normally closed type, और ये देखो यहाँ पर ये वो switch है. Pressure switch is always on off. Transmitter हर एक signal देता है, right? 4 to 20 milliampere में. Switch on off, on या off, on या off. तो अब देखेंगे हम लोग. What we'll do is I'll be giving I'll put it like this. I'll put it on. Now guys, this is the pressure calibrator. It can develop a pressure up to 700 bars. Okay. So this is the relief valve fitted over here. इसको बंद कर दिया. Over here in this container we can see hydraulic oil over here. ये oil fitted है. So when we start pumping, this oil because of this pump goes and develops a pressure in this line. And this developed pressure acts in the diaphragm over here. तो जब वो 4 बार के against this spring pressure, you can see, इसे पकड़िएगा बत्ती सर, you can see there is a spring fitted over here. ये अंदर देख रहे हैं spring लगा हुआ है. When this, and there is a diaphragm over here. So when this 4 bar pressure comes, acts against the diaphragm, against this spring pressure, and when this pressure becomes greater than 4 bar, then वो इस spring against the spring pressures को lift करता है, and this switch makes a contact. Now let me show you guys. इसे पकड़ लीजिए बत्ती सा. Okay, so I have shut it. Now slowly I'll start it. See 0.3. धीरे अभी तो ऑयल जा रहा है सिस्टम में. Now when I'm pumping like this, slowly oil is going into the line over here. (1.1) 3.6. Now guys, see, when it come to 3.7 bar, this is a pressure adjusting valve. When I start, already बंद है तो पूरा. थोड़ा डिले होगा. Guys, अभी right now I have developed a pressure of 4.1 bar. Okay, put around 4.5. Let's see. कई बार अलार्म में डिले रहता है. Oh, बन गया. Guys, did you see the movement over here? अलार्म आना चाहिए 32 आ गया ना. Now I'll show you once again. The alarm has come. CO2 room alarm has come. CO2 leakage alarm has come. I'll show you how. बत्ती साहब पकड़िए इसको पीछे से, इसको प्रेशर स्विच को. Now just when I'm reducing the pressure, just have a look again. बत्ती साहब ऐसे रखिए, हाथ बचा के. Have a look at this contact over here. ठीक है? I'm reducing the pressure. When I reduce the pressure, you'll see this will come down slowly. 4.4, 4.3. Okay, wait. Let us see what happens. 3.2. देखो नीचे आ रहा है. It is coming down. It has come down, guys. Now I'll again increase. Just अब इस पे बहुत closely नजर रखना. I'll bring the pressure up to 4.5, guys. Slowly. See, the contact is made. See, the alarm has come. You can hear the alarm. Pom. That is the alarm coming in ICR, which is because of a CO2 leakage alarm. Copied, guys. अभी ऊपर उठ गया. Again, I'll bring it down. You'll see this distance decreasing. ये नीचे आ जाएगा, guys. You can see, दिख रहा है clearly. So guys, this is how a pressure calibrator works. So now we could see that 4 bar, as soon as it came at 4 bar, this contact was made and alarm came down. That means my pressure switch is working very fine. Copied? Accordingly, we sometimes have to calibrate pressure transmitters and see whether they are working fine or not. Jai Mata Di. This is how a pressure calibrator works. One more thing that you have to understand is, this is a hole from where we fill oil inside. At times, this pressure calibrator is only for building pressure. Sometimes we have got pressure calibrator with dual works. They can create vacuum as well. उसके अंदर इसका उल्टा साइन करके we have to pull it like this, and then we create vacuum. So we can check even the vacuum. Copied, guys? So that is how a pressure calibrator works. Every yearly these need to be calibrated on tankers. Pressure calibrator and temperature calibrators are sent ashore for calibration के particular certificates रहते हैं, and vetting inspector specially comes and checks those certificates. On bulk carriers it's still a leeway and not much of an importance is given. Jai Mata Di. Again, when I mean calibration means, with this calibrator I calibrate my transmitters कि भैया transmitter are good or not. But how do I know whether this is calibrated properly or not? If it is showing 400 bar, whether it is 400 bar or not. So this needs to be calibrated. तो उसके लिए either you send it ashore to the makers, or you do it onboard as well.
If you found the video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. To watch more such technical videos, check out this playlist on the screen and find the link of the Achievers package in the description box below. Thank you.